Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a critical topic for every driver: car emergency kits. Whether you are planning a road trip or just commuting around town, having the right emergency kit in your vehicle can make all the difference in unexpected situations. We have curated a list of the 7 best car emergency kits you need to buy in 2024. Each chosen for its quality, usability and comprehensive features. Stick around as we explore these essential kits that could potentially save the day when you least expect it. Let's get started. Starting off our list with the Ready America 70280 72-hour emergency kit, designed to provide essential supplies for up to 3 days in emergency situations. This comprehensive kit includes food, water, emergency blankets, light sticks, and other essential items stored in a durable backpack for easy transport and accessibility. The Ready America kit is known for its high-quality components that meet or exceed industry standards for emergency preparedness. Its compact design allows it to fit neatly in your trunk or under a seat without taking up too much space, making it ideal for both urban and rural drivers. In terms of durability, the Ready America 70280 is built to withstand rough handling and adverse conditions, making it a reliable companion for any roadside emergency. Its reflective surface and included safety whistle enhance visibility and signal capabilities during nighttime or low visibility scenarios. Overall, the Ready America 70280 72-hour emergency kit is highly recommended for its comprehensive contents, ease of use, and steady construction, making it a must-have for every vehicle.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Next on our list is the STDY Roadside Emergency Kit, designed to provide peace of mind with a wide array of safety tools and supplies. This kit includes essential items such as jumper cables, a reflective warning triangle, a tow rope, and a tire pressure gauge, all neatly organized in a compact carrying case. The STDY kit is praised for its robust design and durable materials that withstand frequent use and varying weather conditions. Its compact size allows for easy storage in your trunk or behind a seat, ensuring readiness without taking up valuable space. In terms of durability, the STDY Roadside Emergency Kit excels with components that are built to last, ensuring reliability in critical situations. The reflective warning triangle and emergency hammer add to its safety features, providing visibility and tools for breaking glass in emergencies. Overall, the STDY Roadside Emergency Kit is a comprehensive solution for roadside emergencies, offering durability, ease of use, and essential safety tools that every driver should have on hand. Moving along at number 3, we have the WETBAS Roadside Emergency Kit, crafted to provide essential safety tools and supplies for drivers. This kit includes items such as a flashlight, safety vest, first aid kit, and emergency blanket, all housed in a compact and portable carrying case for easy storage and access. The WETBAS kit stands out for its emphasis on safety and visibility, with reflective gear and emergency lighting that enhance roadside visibility during emergencies or breakdowns. The included flashlight offers multiple modes for versatility in different lighting conditions. In terms of durability, the WETBAS Roadside Emergency Kit features rugged materials and steady construction that withstands impact and environmental exposure. Its compact size makes it suitable for storing in small spaces within your vehicle. Overall, the WETBAS Roadside Emergency Kit excels in safety features, usability, and durability, making it an essential companion for any driver looking to enhance their preparedness for unexpected roadside situations. The number 4 position is held by Vetoos Roadside Emergency Kit, a comprehensive set designed to handle a wide range of roadside emergencies. This kit includes essential tools such as heavy-duty jumper cables, a tow rope, a reflective warning triangle, and a multi-function tool, all housed in a durable carrying case for easy storage and transport. The Vetoos kit is renowned for its robust jumper cables, featuring thick cork wear and insulated clamps that ensure safe and reliable jump starts in various weather conditions. The included tow rope and reflective triangle enhance safety during roadside emergencies, providing visibility and assistance to other drivers. In terms of durability, the Vetoos Roadside Emergency Kit is constructed from high-quality materials that withstand frequent use and harsh environmental conditions. Its compact design allows for convenient storage in a vehicle without occupying occupying excessive space. Overall, the Vetoos Car Roadside Emergency Kit is highly recommended for its comprehensive contents, durability, and user-friendly design, making it an indispensable asset for every driver's safety toolkit. The number 5 position is dominated by SwiSafe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit for Car. This product is a compact and versatile emergency kit designed to provide essential medical supplies for roadside emergencies. This kit includes a comprehensive selection of bandages, antiseptic wipes, emergency blankets, and other medical essentials, all housed in a durable case for easy storage and accessibility. The SwiSafe kit stands out for its dual-function design, combining a first aid kit with emergency survival tools to address a wide range of medical and safety needs. Its compact size allows for convenient placement in a vehicle's glove compartment or trunk without taking up excess space. In terms of durability, the SwiSafe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit is crafted from durable materials that protect medical supplies from damage and contamination. Its compact case design ensures portability and protection against environmental elements. Overall, the SwiSafe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit is highly recommended for its comprehensive medical supplies, dual functionality, and durable construction, making it an essential addition to every vehicle's emergency preparedness kit. Next, at number 6 on our list, we have the VCANENERGY Car Emergency Safety Kit, which combines essential safety tools with a portable air compressor to handle roadside emergencies effectively. This kit includes items such as a tire inflator, jumper cables, and a reflective vest, and a first aid kit, all neatly organized in a durable carrying bag for easy storage and accessibility. The VCANENERGY kit is praised for its compact design and comprehensive contents that cater to various emergency scenarios. The portable air compressor allows for quick and convenient tire inflation, ensuring you can address flat tires without relying on external assistance. In terms of durability, the VCANENERGY Car Emergency Safety Kit boasts rugged materials and sturdy construction that withstands impact and environmental exposure. Its compact size makes it easy to store in your vehicle's trunk or behind a seat. Overall, the VCANENERGY Car Emergency Safety Kit is highly recommended for its versatility, usability, and durable components, making it an essential companion for drivers looking to enhance their preparedness for unexpected roadside situations. Last but not least, we have the Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit, a comprehensive emergency car kit endorsed by AAA for its quality and reliability. This kit includes essential tools and supplies such as a flashlight, batteries, first aid supplies, and automotive safety accessories, all stored in a compact carrying case for easy storage and access. The Lifeline AAA kit is known for its extensive assortment of items that cater to various roadside emergencies, ensuring you are prepared for unforeseen situations on the road. Its comprehensive contents exceed industry standards for emergency preparedness. In terms of durability, the Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit features rugged materials and robust construction that withstands frequent use and adverse weather conditions. Its compact size allows for convenient storage in a vehicle's trunk or glove compartment. Overall, the Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit is highly recommended for its comprehensive contents, ease of use, and the durable construction, making it an indispensable asset for drivers seeking reliable emergency preparedness on the road. There you have it, the 7 best car emergency kits you need to buy in 2024. Whether you are a frequent traveler or just heading out for a daily commute, having the right emergency kit can make all the difference in unexpected situations. Remember to choose a kit that suits your needs and vehicle size, ensuring you are prepared for whatever the road may throw at you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more essential product reviews and guides. Thanks for watching and ride safely.